What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Google activity step by step. And I'm going to show you how to check this on your computer and also on your mobile phone. Particularly, I'm going to show you on an Android phone. That's what I have at the moment to show you on. But the steps will be pretty similar once you sign into your Google account on an iPhone, just the same. So what you want to do when you're on a computer, guys, is just go to google.com, or if you have Google set as your homepage, you just need to open up your browser and you will see Google just like I'm seeing right here, and you will be able to see it like that. Now, if you're not seeing Google, you're seeing something else such as Bing, Yahoo, whatever, go to google.com, sign into your account from the upper right, and you will have access to your account. Now, once you're done with all that, you can click the account on the upper right hand side, and here you will find manage your Google account. Now, from here, you will look to the left hand side and you'll find data and privacy. You click on that. Now, here is where you will find it's going to show you your activity. And you can see right away if you have the web and app activity turned on. And so you can see what's turned on, what is paused, right? So right there, let me just get rid of that. You can see that I have YouTube history, web and my activity right there turned on, but I have timeline, for example, paused. Now, if you look right here, you will see view my activity. And you can click on that, and that's going to show you your activity. And so this is where you'll be able to see your activity right here on your account. So if you're looking for how to check your Google activity, this is where you'll be able to find it right here. Right? So that's how you do it. Now, for the mobile phone, I'm going to just quickly grab my mobile phone and show you how you will get that done, because the steps as well there is super easy. So what you want to do now once you're on your mobile phone, guys, is to go ahead and find your Google account. So you'll find a Google folder or something like that. In my case, I have a Google folder. For an example, in Android, you'll always find a little Google folder already preset on your Android phone with all of your Google apps, or majority of those Google apps. If not, and you're not able to see it, you can search for it. So in this case, I would swipe up right there and just simple type in Google, and I will find Google and I can open it. Now, once you're here on the upper right hand side, you'll find your Google account, because it will automatically be signed in, because when you're setting up this phone, most likely you will have to sign into your Google account, and that's going to quickly sign in all of those applications. Now, if you're using, for example, an iPhone, you will need to, let's say, don't possibly download Google, of course, sign into the Google app, and you'll be able to access this once you sign in. Now, you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper right, and if you have also multiple accounts, you will need to switch. In my case, I'm going to just switch to the same exact account that I have on my computer, so I have this one right here, and I'm going to just quickly switch. So I'm going to click on Manage. I'm going to click on manage. I'm going to click the drop down here. I'm going to find that account that I want to use, this one. And so from here as well, it's going to also give me the access to see those accounts, right? See those account activities. So here I will scroll down and I will see similar, such as the data and privacy. So I click on that. Right here, I can see what's turned on, what's paused, timeline is paused, YouTube history is on, and also web and app activity is turned on, and personalized search. You can see there at the top as well. Now I scroll down a bit and I will see view my activity. So I'll click on it from here and you will see that it shows that I can view my Google activity. So if I scroll on here, you can see, for example, hyper video that is there. And if I look on my screen as well on my computer, you can see is the same exact thing. And so guys, that's pretty much how you can view or how you can check your Google activity step by step on your PC and also on your mobile device. Very easy and very simple. Hope your phone is useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.